Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So this video will be help you as a content creator beginner to get a good quality video with your iPhone camera. So here we just need to open the settings, and right after that we just need to scrolling down until we found camera section. So after you got this camera section, you just need to go click it. The next thing you need to do is just see on the top side of the lines here, and then you just need to go click it on. So there will be a lot of options of the quality that you can choose or apply into your iPhone camera. There will be 720p HD, and there will be also 1080. They also provide you with the 4K options. So if you are a content creator beginner and you want to have a good video quality from your iPhone camera, I would like to suggest you to get this 4K at 60 fps, which is the most or the best quality versions of the camera. Make sure that you're clicking it until this checklist, the blue checklist icon, is placed into the 4K at 60 fps, so that you will have the best quality of the video. You will have the contrast and the smoothest move of your camera. So basically that is the way how to get the good quality of your video with the iPhone camera. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.